In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find the week number for dates in Google Sheets using the weeknum formula. If you've ever worked with dates in spreadsheets, you know how important it can be to convert dates into week numbers, whether for planning, reporting, or data analysis. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to quickly and easily transform your date data into week numbers in just a few steps. First, let's get started by opening your Google Sheet. You can either open an existing sheet or create a new one. If you're working with a specific set of data that you'd like to analyze, make sure your dates are neatly listed in one of your columns. For this demonstration, I'm assuming you have a date formatted column in your sheet, let's say column A, starting at cell A2. Once your sheet is open, you're going to click on the cell where you'd like the week number to appear. For this example, we'll work with cell B2 directly next to your date in A2. This is where the magic happens. Now, with your cursor in B2, we're going to enter the formula that will calculate the week number. Type in the following formula, equals weeknum open parenthesis A2 close parenthesis. What this does is take the date from cell A2 and convert it into a week number based on a Sunday to Saturday week format, which is the default setting in Google Sheets. Now that you've typed in the formula, go ahead and press the Enter key on your keyboard. Instantly, you should see a number appear in cell B2. This number represents the week of the year that corresponds to the date in A2. It's a straightforward formula, yet incredibly effective for organizing and analyzing date data in your spreadsheets. But what if you have an entire list of dates and you want to apply this formula to all of them without typing it out each time? This is where the handy autofill feature comes in. Click back on cell B2, where you just entered the formula. You'll notice a small square at the bottom right corner of the cell. A quick double click on this square, or dragging it down the column, will automatically apply the weeknum formula to match all the dates in column A. This way, you can convert an entire column of dates into week numbers in a matter of seconds. And there you have it. In just a few short steps, you've used Google Sheets' weeknum formula to transform your date data into week numbers efficiently. You can repeat these steps anytime you need quick results with new sets of date data. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial helps you streamline your work with dates in Google Sheets. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks.